Well, hello my friend and welcome to my channel. We're going to just go ahead and address the elephant in the room. Please ignore this one. This nail is super thin right now, so the nail polish has popped off the tip. But I decided I'm not going to let that slow me down today. So today I've got a little haul. It's been a whole bunch of forevers since I went up in Sally's Beauty Supply. But I needed my big jug of acetone, you know, the big 32 fluid ounce pure acetone. So I had to go get that. And of course they have their clearance bin, and today was 25% off of anything clearance. So I had to get some stuff. So I didn't get in on when these originally released from China Glaze. So I picked up the ones that they had, and I just couldn't resist. So this is Living in the El Moment. These are not new polishes. They're in the clearance bin. And then this jelly is I Count Even. Purple jelly. And then this blue glitter is Dat Color Dough. And then I had to get I Believe in Snuffy. This is what started it. I spotted this one and I was like, ooh, ooh, ooh. And then this one here is Ernie Your Stripes. So I got all those, and they were $2.62 a piece. I'm sorry, but when I can get a China Glaze for less than what I would pay for some at like Walgreens or something, y'all, I'm all over that. And those didn't have the little red ugly stickers on them, but there were two more that I got. These are not part of that Sesame Street collection. This one is Twinkle Twinkle Little Starfish, and I believe that's going to be like a topper of some sort. We will see. And then this next one here is Better Than Nectar. Look at that. Oh, goodness. And then the girl had to misbehave. Okay. Now, I'm not just like a huge Hello Kitty fan or anything, but they had the new collection. And this one jumped off the shelf at me. I don't know if y'all can see all that shimmery goodness, but it's so stunning. And this is called Let Love Sparkle. So I paid full price for this one. There was no specials or anything, so this is the only one I got. And then they had these little baby Morgan Taylors. This was a at the register purchase because I had them in the little bitty bin up by the register. And this is just stunning. And so I just got the mini bottle of it. And it is called New York State of Mind. And I just loved it. So I'm going to break out a swatch wheel and swatch all of them except for this one. This is just too tiny. I'm not going to, you know, I wouldn't say waste polish, but I'm just not going to expend any polish on a swatch wheel with this one. It's just too little. So I'm going to get it ready and we're going to get to rocking. Okay, I've got my swatch wheel out and ready. I did do 4 black nails because I think some of these might look good as a topper, so we're going to give that a go. I'm using Game Over by Brave Diva. I don't think this one's being sold anymore. It's a lot like Shut Out though, so it might be the same. I don't know. So, you know, I got some nails with that on there. But also, I didn't even finish my hauling. They had these up by the register too, and when she rang them up, they were like $2 a piece. Because they were also 25% off. But I thought, oh, those are just adorable. So I got 2 sets of this one and 2 sets of this one here. And then we've got this one. There was only 1 pack of them. So I figured they would be great for next year. And you know, girl loves a deal. So we got those. And I had to pick me up some of the For Real, hands down, For Real lint-free wipes. Because sometimes doing some of the treatments I'm doing now and stuff now, I just really want some For Real lint-free wipes. So I grabbed those also too. So let's get to swatching. Actually, I need to get all the bottles open. Girl getting ahead of herself today. I'll be right back. Alright, we're going to get started with, what was the name of you again? Living in the El Moment. Such a cute, cute name. And this polish is such an Elmo color. It really, really is. Loving that scattered hollow in there. It's juicy. So there's the L moment. And then I count in even. Now this is a jelly, so it's really not going to show up very good on here. But we're going to do a couple of coats of it and see. I like it that it's the purple because that, like if you've got yellowed nails, that kind of cancels out the yellowness. It's kind of like a color corrector for your nails. And then this blue sparkly one is that color dough. Oh, it's just glitter, so we'll see. Ooh, I'm pretty impressed. I was expecting to be more of a topper. Look at that. I think that one's going to build up beautiful. Oh, wow. And then the one that started it all, I believe in Snuffy. Snuffleupagus. Oh, that's so pretty. It's like a champagne peach or something. Oh, that's gorgeous. It's got a wonky brush on it, though. Don't know how I feel about that. Oh, it's got such... I turned it in the light, and I was like, oh, yummy. And then Ernie Your Stripes. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, yes. Oh, can't wait to see the second coats. And then we're heading on. I'm going to just do all the China Glaze together. And this is Twinkle Twinkle Little Starfish. Starfish. So yeah, I believe this is going to end up being a topper. Oh, but, oh, I can't wait to see it over the black. So, we're going to do it on its own over this nail. Hi, Cotton. Welcome to the mini cave. Alrighty, here we go with Better Than Nectar. And this is definitely a topper too. Oh my goodness, it's going to knock my socks off when I do it over the black. Ooh. And then the OPI, it's the Let Love Shine, Sparkle, I'm sorry, Let Love Sparkle. This one's just singing off the shelf. Oh. Oh, the glitters in there are so pretty. Oh. Okay, now we're going to do some over black. We're going to do the... I wish I had put the names. I believe in Snuffy. We're going to do that over the black. It's got a wonky brush. Oh, that is real pretty over the black. If I wouldn't be so stingy with the polish. Oh, I really do like it. Get some more on this other side. Even that out. Oh, it goes so gold looking. Okay, I'm going to quit messing with it. And then I'm going to do Ernie Your Stripes as well over black. Oh yeah, that's insane over black. Look at that. Oh. Ooh, Be Still My Heart. And then we're back to Twinkle Twinkle Little Starfish. Oh, stunning. Absolutely craziness here. And I remember I used to not be into toppers. It used to make me kind of mad that they would put toppers in collections, but I've changed my tune. And then for the final one, and this is that Better Than Nectar. Oh, that is so pretty. Alright, so now that we're at the end, we're going to roll back to the first one. Let me get some bottles situated. I got a little mess going on over here. Okay. Live in the L Moment. And that one's a little textured. It's definitely going to eat some top coat, but I'm okay with that. Look how pretty that built up. Oh, luscious. And then now for our jelly. Oops, Getting all messy. Yeah, that was kind of a waste of a nail tip, but I can see it in real life. I know that it's really hard to see on camera. That color dough. Oh, that's just twinkling shiny. Look how that built up. I'm really impressed. I was not expecting it to do that well. And then I believe in Snuffy. This is such a dainty, pretty color. Yeah, see that wonky brush? Look at that. Got a couple of them sticking up. I'm going to have to cut those down. Oh, that's so pretty. And then next, the Ernie Your Stripes. It's a little sheer. That one might end up needing to be 3 coats when you wear it on the nail. Or layer it over the black. And these are pretty. I would wear these. I would even be willing to wear these on their own. These last two on the China Glaze. Because they're so pretty. Look at that. That was that Twinkle Twinkle Little Starfish. And Better Than Nectar is next. Yeah, those would both be really pretty to wear even on their own. Sorry, getting all wonky with the camera. And then the last one is the OPI, and that's Let Your Love Sparkle. I hope y'all can see those glitters in there. They just bounce, jump out at you. Alrighty, and now for the second coats of everything over black. Very pretty. And I'm telling you, I could wear it just like that, 1 coat over black, but I want to see what 2 coats looks like. Oh my goodness. So happy with these. And this is Twinkle Twinkle Little Starfish. And then Better Than Nectar. That one really looks different over the black. That's so cool. I mean, it's nice to have the same polish and you can use it 2 different ways. Or actually even more than that. You could go all kind of color combinations. Ooh wee. Alrighty, so there they are. I'm going to let them dry, top coat them, and do some swatch photos up close so you can hopefully get a better idea of these. And there we go. Living in the L moment. How pretty. I love that red with the hollow. Dig it. And then I Count Even. Very pretty. Very jelly. And then that color dough. So pretty. I'm really pleased with all of these. And then I Believe in Snuffy. That picture doesn't do it justice. So much prettier. And then I Believe in Snuffy over black. Very, very nice. And then we've got Ernie Your Stripes. And I like this one on its own and over black, which is coming up right now. Just stunning. I love that they're 2 totally different looking polishes. And then we've got Twinkle Twinkle Little Starfish. I'm in love with these toppers. And here is that one over black. Isn't it amazing how different they look? And then we've got Better Than Nectar, another yummy polish. And then Better Than Nectar over black. So I've got one more to share and then we're done. And this is Let Love Sparkle. So let me know which one was your favorite.
As usual, I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.